What's up, guys? Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing more bongo. Now, your game doesn't save, so yeah, I'm back as green. But this is my team. I started green, and we are gonna be improving. Oh, beach boy. I wonder what this means. Die. Raw flesh kills, doesn't it? Yep. Gives you food. Doesn't like to give you health. Ooh. Yes, I've learned much more about this game. I know what to do with these guys now. A Bonto. Dancer. You get the hide, and then the shots. I can now buy, I think what's called, where is it? I think it's in shirts. Uh, yep. It's, uh, high pants or shirt? I'm gonna pants. I'll see when I have these on. So guys, I ditched my old clan, the green, and for teal. Now these guys are very good. We got a little base. If you can remember, up there was my old base from the last episode. So just waiting for these metal remotes. You stole it. You stole it from me. I need some metal. Where can I get some metal? Oh, there. There's some metal. We get metal and stick and a stick. Okay, that's cool. Now we need to get some armor. So guys, vibe's going pretty good. I got an iron helmet, iron chest plate. It's all good. Some mine up here. So keep it going. Okay, so finish with that one. We'll see when we get like the base more improved from how it is now. Hey, you're red. So guys, it's very confusing. This guy's framing me for taking his iron, but I didn't. I made this with my own iron. Look, I got one of these trumpet things. I like it. I like it a lot. So our base is improved. Bit. Yeah, my wall is broken. I made this bit. Not really good. It's just a house. What? Oh no. We left the tribe. It's destroyed. So guys, I'm back. Um, yeah, I'm green now. I know what you're thinking. Stop switching teams. But yeah, it's kind of what needs to be done. I made like a little dam. Well, what was basically so. Say a boat's coming down there. Here's patrol area, so you can look both sides. Someone comes through here. I'll I'll have to open the gate so they can get through and close it. Check in, check out, and then go through there, and they're able to go through there. And this is my teammate, only one. She's level 2, so yep. I'm the chief, so I'm able to do all this, like myself. Got trees over here. Going pretty good. I know what you're saying. You've done all of this in about 4 minutes. Well, yes, I have. You're right. And no, like seriously, I've only done it in 4 minutes. It was quite hard because I couldn't find my teammate and we just bumped into each other. So this is our little island it expands on, and we're going to try and get something good out of this area. So guys, we're back. This is our base. I like the totem base. So we've got the stone walls we've been moving all along, especially in the last episode. We've got the chests. We got our pulling area. We need some lookouts. So yeah, I'll see when we have those. So guys, we've upgraded the base a bit. Got extra tower there, out here. The closing room. So it's only been 4 minutes, well, about to be 5 now. But yeah, I think this is going really good. I have a horn and stuff. Design for. The horn is for just in case enemies come. That guy over there is not an enemy, he's our neighbor. And yeah, it's all good. In the green team. But my friend, admin, yeah, not so good. Buck 567 is not really doing what he's supposed to. Not really listening to orders because admin Nami created that team abruptly. But anyway, besides that, let's get back to work. So guys, yeah, the base is really improved now. Oh, first episode, Bongo Island, and look at this. Now this is Bongo Island. I want to see if in the next episode of this game, because probably next episode I'm probably going to do like game forces. I haven't played in a long time. Yeah, probably. Because it's not really one of the most popular games anymore. So guys, we're gonna start building like a wall on this side, so if they can't get through there, they've got to go through all the way over here. But we don't want them to get in, so it's gonna be crazy. We gotta fix this. Okay, I'll see when this happens. So guys, look at our base. This girl's just screaming out the bridge for our neighbors. But look at this blockade. Like we actually made it. So it's like, look at that blockade. We made sure if you get in there, you can't get out. Let's go that way or this way. We're gonna finish up the rest of the blockade today. And the gates all the way around there to their house. Oh, it's gonna look epic when it finishes. Trust me. And I'm not really the one for trust. Anyway, oh yeah, just things out. But but we still got inside to do because look at all that space. I'm just thinking of what we could do. Okay, guys. So the plan was we send out two people to like go to the island over there. There they are. They're heading over there. One from my team, one from their team, and we're just gonna head over to their base. Well, that's what they're doing. I stay here and look after my village. So we see how that goes. So guys, I made a cool thing for in here. It's like a dot. And um sorry, it's just my dog in the background. Ruff ruff. So then like you can open the door, go out. Also the back the scouts are back. We wanna see what they've found out. So guys, this is our base. Little sharky over there. So I'm just gonna show you around. Yeah, so that opens up. We go in here. There's like boats, fish nets, chests. See, we're expanding because our neighbors left, and now we have the most people, so we're expanding and also reinforcing. We're putting stone ones in, and yeah, hopefully that equips our chances. So yeah, I hope it's good. So there's not much really. So the outside and the inside, it's still got the it's still got this bit where you pause and there we talk to you, begging for mercy, go through here, hop off your boat, go into our boat, and go off. When we open the door. So let's just harvest these. Uh, uh, wow, it catch really quickly because it's already refilled. I could do this all day and I'd get like millions of. Yep, it should be enough. Let's go over to the fire, press C. Bow. And well, I died. So guys, I'm sorry if you didn't like this video. I know it wasn't much interacting, but it was Admitted, there was like so many things in there. Like, you can see my base. Two baddies over there. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. So what I'm gonna do is make myself a raft. Go this way and turn the other way. I don't like that. Wow, so I'm gonna swim with a shark. Oh no, help me, help me. Oh no, seriously help me, please. I'm such little health. So guys, I know, yeah, this is probably my most adventurous part. Oh god. Oh. Well, guys, that wasn't a success. I died again and spawned on a different island. Nowhere near the flying island. But guys, I will always see you in the next vid. Goodbye.